Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use LUTs in CapCut PC. So just download a free LUT somewhere on Google or whichever website. I'm using the one from Shutterstock. I actually like this one a lot, and I'm just going to start download. Then I will be back. Why will it? Okay, I don't think I'm gonna go back. Come on, load faster. I just don't like having to pause and going back to the screen recording, but once you're done with downloading your LUT, because this is going to be in a zip file because it's a pack, make sure you've extracted it to a folder, which I'm waiting for it to do so. Okay, almost there, 93%. Okay, almost there. There we go. I'm just going to select open folder, and I'm going to select this, and let me just extract all first. I'm going to just extract it here. Go to your CapCut. I think you do have to close this first and then reopen it again. So that's what I'm going to do. So that I can load the CapCut. I mean the LUTs. I don't think you have to do that. But just go to adjustments, go to LUTs and select import. You're then going to select the folder where your LUT is. And I'm just going to select everything, and I'm going to press enter, and it's going to import it here. It can be a Q file, a D3D file or something, but I basically use the Q file the most. So I'm just going to go to library here, and I'm going to get a video. Go to the adjustment section here, and you can either drag it here or go to adjustments up here and select the LUT that you want. I like this one, for instance. You can adjust the strength, and yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!